People say I'm the one who makes things work, who gives clarity to ideas, form to messages, and purpose to pixels. But there's more to me than rules, grids, or guidelines.
And they say I'm the one who feels, the one who paints what words cannot say and makes silence speak. But tell me, what happens when clarity and chaos share a canvas?
Maybe that's when design becomes poetry, when balance stops being math and starts being music.
Or maybe that's when art gets lost, trying to please the eye before touching the soul.
You speak of soul, I speak of systems, but maybe, just maybe, we're both missing the point, unless we listen to each other.
Then let's listen, not only to each other, but to what art is becoming today.
In our next episode, we ask the real question: where is art going, and what have we done to it?